Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what Russia looks like today. We'll explore its vast geography and significant population. You'll learn about its economic foundations, particularly its reliance on abundant natural resources. This overview will provide a foundational understanding of the country's current state, setting the stage for deeper insights into its society and global role. Let's delve into Russia's economy and daily life. Energy exports, especially oil and natural gas, form the backbone of its financial system. Major cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg are vibrant centers, bustling with economic and cultural activity. We're also seeing a growing trend towards digitalization, making many everyday services more accessible online for citizens across the country. Now, let's explore Russia's immense geography and rich cultural tapestry. As the largest country globally, it boasts incredibly diverse landscapes, from Arctic tundras to vast steppes. Its cultural heritage is profound, celebrated worldwide for its contributions to literature, ballet, and classical music. Orthodox Christianity also plays a significant role, shaping many of the nation's enduring traditions and holidays. Finally, let's consider Russia's global standing and future outlook. The nation holds a substantial position in international politics and is a key player in global energy markets. It's also a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, reflecting its influence. For those looking to simplify their daily routines, remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.